So hello everyone and welcome back to the series. In today's lecture we are going to learn about the functions. What are functions basically? Like if I want to recall the function a parameter again and again, I am not going to print it again and again, and I will just simply call that function. What that function will do, it will perform a specific task, and when the task is executed, we are going to get our results without repeating the code again. This is going to work how I'm going to show in this video, and without wasting any time, let's get started. Talking about the functions, what the functions are basically going to work, it works as a block of code which is going to perform a specific task. Like if I want to print the sum of two numbers, I can just simply run the code. I do not need to repeat the code again and again in my file. For that, I can just define and reuse that function again and again instead of writing that. I hope that makes sense. Functions are important as they help to organize the programs into smaller sections and execute the same logic again and again by just calling them. Now, coming to the defining of a function, if we need to define a function, we can define it using the def keyword. How we can write that? Suppose I want I am having two integers, a is equal to 9 and b is equal to 7. Suppose I am having two numbers, a is equal to 9 and b is equal to 7. Now I have to find the geometric mean of these two numbers. What I can write is geometric mean. I will define this variable name like this, and after that I will write geometric mean is equal to, the formula of geometric mean is a into b divided by a plus b. Now when I'm going to print this, I will get the geometric mean of the two numbers. See here, we are getting the geometric mean as 3.9375. What if the numbers are again a is equal to, let's say c is equal to 4 and d is equal to 10, and I want to find the geometric mean. So I have to write this code again here, and I will write here c and here d. Here also Here also I have to write C and D, and then I will run it. I will get the geometric mean of C and D. See here, I am getting the geometric mean of C and D. But what if I can define a function as a geometric mean and going to just simply write a code, simply just call the function, and it is going to find me the geometric mean of two numbers itself. In this question we are having the small code, very small code. What if the code is of 1,000 lines or 100 lines? Then we are not going to write the code again and again. We are going to just simply pass the function, and like here I am going to pass the function. I will write in the starting as def. Def keyword is used to define a function. Here also written def keyword is used to define the function. Then the function name. I suppose I want the function name as gmean, and and then square braces come, and in the square braces we will just pass the variable. I will pass my variables as a and b, let's say. Then after that, I will apply a semicolon and enter. Indentation will automatically come. If it doesn't come, if you are writing in Notepad or another Microsoft Word, then you have to press the tab space, otherwise it is not going to work and give you an error, as this indentation is not supported in these. If you are practicing in this, you have to give the indentation yourself. But why to practice on these if we are having online compilers and VS Code? This VS Code is a best practice. If you can just download the VS Code and practice there. It also comes with so many libraries. You can download the libraries and your work is going to be super easy if you are going to practice in the VS Code. Moving forward, we can write the statement here. What we want to do in the geometric mean, I will write here geometric mean as geometric mean into. I have done with my calculation part and I now want to print the geometric mean as my answer. I will write geometric mean. What I am going to return. Now here, if I want the answer of my geometric mean, I will just remove this and I am going to just simply call the function. Call the function, how I can call the function? I will write here the geometric mean function as I have defined the geometric mean function mean and geometric mean, and I am going to write the variables name also here. We want a and b here, so I am going to run it. See, we are getting geometric mean, our first geometric mean. I am going to do the same here also. I will call the function as g mean and in the braces I will write c and d because I want it now to operate for c and d. So I am passing my variables as c and d. I am going to run it. See here, we are getting the same output. So we do not need to write the function and again. We can just simply write a function, user defined function, which is going to work as per our requirements. We can just simply define a function which is going to work as a requirement, and we do not need to perform the things again and again. We can just simply call the function and it can make our work very easy. I hope that makes sense. Now, so far we have learned what are the functions and how we can define them. In the next video, we are going to learn about the functions, different types of function. There are different types of functions like user defined and already predefined functions. We are going to study that in the next video, and we are also going to solve the questions on the functions on the HackerRank in our upcoming lectures. So stay tuned and just watch this series till the end. Till then, keep learning, keep watching. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.